My name's Janet Hensel, and I'm from Peachtree City. I'm retired, which is nice. I just like to go to the pool, spend time with my grandson, and just relax. I worked a long time as a teacher. Well, I had a lot of crowns and I'd had root canals. Went to my dentist and she said, "Oh no, you've got a cracked molar. You need to get to the oral surgeon right away." So I kind of checked different ones out and Dr. Anderson's name came up and I made an appointment for a consultation. I've had probably crowns, root canals and everything since I was in my early 20s. I never knew when one of them might go crazy, when one of them might, like a root canal would fail or something else would go wrong. I'd feel pain and I'd go, "Oh no, now what?" Probably nervous about my teeth. I didn't smile as much and I probably didn't eat out as much as I normally would because it might be hard to eat or might be hard to chew on something.
Clinically, very nervous, very anxious, didn't really trust practitioners at all. After a few weeks, we sort of earned her trust, and I think that was a big thing for her. It wasn't having the procedure done. She just had some very bad experiences, and she wanted something better. And so hopefully we provided that, and I think the fact that she kept coming back for more shows that we did.
I was really worried when my dentist told me that I had a cracked molar, so I didn't really want to do anything. I didn't know what an oral surgeon would do to me or what it would be like, but I knew I had to do something because I didn't want it to get infected. So I came to see Dr. Anderson. I was petrified when I came in for my first visit because I thought, "Oh no, what is a bone graft? What's a sinus lift?" I had no idea, so I came in for the consultation. Dr. Anderson explained everything, and I was so nervous when I got home. I didn't realize anything that he had told me. So I called back, and he told me to come in again. And that time I understood exactly what he was talking about, or better anyway. I felt like when I came here, I didn't know exactly what any of the procedures were, but I'd heard about Dr. Anderson. I knew that he had a very good reputation, so all I could do is just trust him. The day of the surgery, Dr. Anderson said, "How are you today?" And I said, "I'm fine. I haven't slept in 2 nights." And he said, "Good. This will be a good nap for you." So I was very, very nervous, but once he got started and I was awake, I didn't do the full anesthesia. There were 2 of his helpers that held my hand and rubbed my arm. So it was very, very comforting, and I forgot about being nervous. Well, I ended up having 3 different implants, and I finally felt like I didn't have to worry about pain anymore or chewing. I was just excited and proud of myself that I'd finally decided to take care of it, and it was all done with. I'm really glad that I got the implants in because I don't really need to worry about my teeth hurting anymore. I don't need to worry about if one of them is going to break or anything like that. I just know that I'm covered now.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like she's happy with us because she brings cookies for most major events, holidays, and Tuesdays. No, she brings a lot of cookies and other snacks for the staff.
Several people have asked me if 3.5 years of waiting on 3 implants was worth it, and I would say every minute of that time because it's much better. I feel much better about myself and about eating and just not having to worry about my teeth anymore. Well, several people in our subdivision always say, "Who's a good oral surgeon?" And I say, Dr. Anderson is the best. To go in there and he will take care of everything. You won't have pain, and he's very compassionate, and you'll feel really good about it. I can tell that Dr. Anderson is very intelligent and he knows exactly what he's doing, which is good. He is very compassionate, and he also has a good sense of humor. I can tell that he really cares. I could call and say, "This isn't healing right, can I come in?" And they would get me in right away, and he never has a problem with that. I really appreciate Dr. Anderson and his staff. I'm glad that I chose them. Everybody that works here has been more than friendly, helpful. Anything I need, they're always there to help out, and I feel like part of their family now.
I feel like that she's somebody that, as outgoing as she seems to be, she's going to tell other people that she had a good experience. You know, it's nice that she kept coming back for the other things that she needed us to do for her, because that's an ultimate compliment to us. But the second biggest compliment we can have is for her to refer other people here, because we treated her the way that she wanted to be treated, which I think we did. And by the way, Janet, your cookies are outstanding.